welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I just want to do a quick tour of the minimalist apartment that I stayed in here in Manchester. I wanted to say United Kingdom. It's called the New Loom. So it's very minimal, like very minimalist room, and I'll just go ahead and show you around now. So far I've enjoyed my stay here. So the payment for this place is inclusive of breakfast. You get breakfast, and their service has been great, and I enjoyed my stay here really, except that I did not watch that television. Like, I can count the number of times I actually put it on and then I put it off in a few minutes, because it's just the normal channels that are there. There's no Netflix and all that. So that's I did not use that television. I did not use it. Okay guys, so I'll just take you around now. If you are new here, my name is Victoria. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm a Nigerian living in the United Kingdom, and on this channel I share my Nigerian lifestyle here in the United Kingdom. So this is one of my travel vlogs where I go to, you know, cities around me. I'm based in Newcastle, so right now I'm in Manchester, and I'm going to show you this place that I stayed in Manchester. If you like any of my content, please make sure to like this video. So leave me a comment below, share this video, subscribe, and also tap the notification bell beside the subscribe button. So coming into the room, here we've got this. At the back of the room you can see the fire escape plan, and I'm staying in room 23, and I really love this because you know where you're going, you know what to do in case there's fire. This is good. This is good. And here we've got the switches and the electricity control. This is the room. As you can see, is a small room. Yeah, so this is the room. So just on the side, this is where I put my my shoes, and going forward is this furniture. For lack of a better word to use, I don't know what word to use. Maybe I should call it a dressing. I don't know. A dressing. It's not a wardrobe, is it? No, it's not. Anyway, it has an hanger, so I'm hanging my clothes, my jacket and some of my clothes here, my boxes here, my bag, and some other things that I've got. And that is the key to enter my room. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. So we've got the mirror here, the dressing mirror here, just before you move out. And then below here we've got the safe. We've got a safe. I actually didn't use this safe. This is where you can actually keep your valuables if you've brought in any valuables. And I told myself there's instruction on how to use it. So that's it. And it's got some other compartments also. You can put some other stuffs in here and in here, and as you can see, I already have some stuffs that I put in here. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's it. That's what it looks like. Okay, moving on. Now to the right side is the bathroom. It's the bathroom and toilet here. And before you enter into the bathroom and toilet, at this left side is the temperature control for the room. And it was very cold when I came in, so I really had to turn it very high. These are the controls. You can actually control it. Now to the bathroom. So we've got the towels on the rails. I just wanna be around you. He looks at me like a mirror here, the sink to wash your hands. Below we've got an apartment for the towels, and then a bin. Back up, I love that they've got this customized hair, hand and body wash. which you can use to wash your hands, wash your hair, wash your face, wash your body. And they've got a shivers only socket here. There is a hair dryer here for people that, you know, wouldn't want to travel with their hair dryer.
No hesitation, took us again, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in.
And to the right side here, we've got the shower.
Around you. I just wanna be around you.
So in the shower also, we've got this customized hair, hand and body wash, and there's a plastic stuff for maybe your soaps and sponge when taking your bath. And yep, that's it for the bathroom. That's the WC, and that's the control there to flush, and this is the toilet roll. So I made 2 toilet rolls here. This is one. I love the design that they made with this, and there's another one there also. You've got enough towel. Moving on, here is the bed. To both sides of the bed are the bed lamps and sockets where you can actually put in your chargers to charge your phone, your laptop, or whatever you want to charge. And in front of the bed, we've got the television there, which I have not been using. And then we go on, we have the standing lamp here, and also we've got a table and a chair, you know, for when you want to eat or you want to work on your computer or anything. And then on the ground, we've got the bin where you can put in your trash, and we've got one window here. The view is not great. So this is the view outside. Yeah, this is the view. That's it. So from this side, this is what the entire room looks like. And I love that design, that silky cottinopolis stuff on the wall. It's beautiful. I'm going to be sharing another video of some of the places that I went to. One of the places, the Science and Industry Museum, and there I actually discovered that Manchester was known, I think was, yeah, then in the past, like Manchester was a major cotton provider in the United Kingdom and even in most part of the world. So Manchester was known for cotton. So I'm not surprised that I am seeing this beautiful picture of cotton, silk, you know, something relating to cotton on the wall of this room. So there we have it, the Manchester apartment tour, the short stay Manchester apartment tour. I hope you enjoy watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until next time when I see you in my next video, thank you, bye bye.